What's up everybody and welcome to the vlog. We're gonna head over to Hunter's house, but we're gonna go over and check the Terminator out. Also, on another note, I went and got some 1x4s so that we can clamp one on the inside of this and one on the outside, clamp and apply some heat to this bumper to see if we can get that bow out of it. This little project should be coming up here pretty soon. But anyway, we're gonna head over to Hunter's and check him out and see what he's up to today. Surprisingly, this car drives really good in the rain. Well, with the new tires on it anyway. Runs and drives really good. Doesn't give me any trouble in the rain. So, tell you guys, I am thoroughly enjoying this car. I really am. I would prefer to drive this over the Terminator, which I guess that's kind of obvious. If you guys don't have a Fox, go pick yourself up one. If you got some extra cash, maybe you're looking for a project, go pick you a Foxbody up.
Nobody touches us at all. Shout out, shoot out, spread fear of them without us. Even that attack walks off the wheel. Spread the word throughout the land. They say, bad guys, we're black. We're tag, you can't turn me. You see us coming and you all together will come.
Alright, we are at Hunter's house shop thing. Been a while since you guys have been over here. I see that piece of shit still sitting in the exact same spot.
Yep. Well, I just keep it up so I can go under.
That shit's so pretty. So Hunter's been working on, or trying to work on the tune on the Cobra. Oh, and by the way, we're gonna leave this thing E85. I know, right? He talked me into it.
So it'll actually be fast too.
Yeah. So we'll have at least one fast car
You know
running.
what you're gonna have to do?
What?
You have to fix that.
Yeah, that's somewhat of a problem, as you guys can see. It's just street tires. But so the goal was to do the car on pump gas and then basically just, you know, street drive the car. But now that we have the Foxbody, I'm not really worried about it. So we'll just leave this car on E85. But yeah, for those of you who've never seen the Terminator, this is it. It's just been in hiding, or storage, I should say.
Storage is yeah, that's accurate.
Just to give you guys, I guess, a rundown of what's done to this car. It's a 2.8 Kenny Bell Mammoth, 25 pounds of boost, 80-pound injectors, E85, solid axle swap, 327 gears, and horsepower unknown. We don't know. This guy tuned it on the street.
Makes 650.
650. You heard it here.
Yeah.
We don't know what it makes, honestly. We have no clue. May make more, may make less. But this is a Terminator, and we will have it back on the channel at some point here pretty soon. I forgot how loud that thing is. This is the first time these two cars have seen each other. We unloaded that car here, and I took off on it that night, but that's the first time they've really been together. So hopefully before too long, we'll have this car and that car back at the house. So what's the deal with your car?
If I put it together, he's gonna come write me a check, and I'm gonna do something else. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably buy a Corvette.
What happened? You just lost your mojo?
It is kind of nice having a pull-up bar. Not all it's good for right now.
I just ordered some of these steering rack bushings. So that's going to be actually one of the next things that's done to that car. I hadn't talked to Hunter about it yet. Don't tell him, but we're going to try to use a rack. Get the Fox over here and put all new steering rack bushings and everything else.
Did you get regular ones or offset?
Just regular.
You put the Delaware ones in there.
I don't want it to be stiff.
Oh, you want it to be
Foxbody sloppy? I want it to be new Foxbody sloppy.
Right, okay.
That's all. So Hunter mounted up the other turbo for us and dropped the car down just so we could see what it's going to look like. This thing is going to be sharp whenever he's done. And should make some decent power. I don't know, probably what, 540, 550 to the wheels?
650.
650.
Same as yours.
Well, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up over at Hunter's house today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just come over here to hang out a little bit with him. And hey, that is the first time that these two cars have met each other. And here real soon we'll have the Cobra back on the channel. But for right now, we're just going to enjoy the Foxbody. Today, we're doing LEDs. Why not, right? We're going to start with the dash. These things are dismal. Matter of fact, the switch doesn't even work half the time. You have to... There it is. So, anyway, we're going to do LEDs in here, and hopefully if there's another one left over, we're going to do that. Okay, we got the dash out. Well, not the dash, but the instrument cluster out. And I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of this time and clean this thing up. Somebody put a, I guess looks like Velcro right there, and just overall it's kind of faded, whatnot. It's broken, but we're just going to clean it up, and I'm going to shoot a light coat of black SEM satin on it. And these are the lights that you'll change out when you put your LEDs in. So hopefully the ones that I ordered from Amazon are correct. As soon as UPS gets here, we're going to go ahead and throw these in. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and sand on that piece and get ready to spray. I got it all scuffed up, and I think that's going to look pretty good. I just had to sand it with some 220 grit sandpaper because it was hard as a rock.
Like a 426 hear me, not just butt. Baby had a motor stacked to the max, hand to the shoulders. She's older, but I can mold her. Drop that game and it hit like boulders. Now she's sprung, sitting in my bed, rolling up the tip so you can't see in.
So it's little things like this that make these cars stand out and make them so clean on the inside. But it's taken, you know, the extra step just to clean things up, paint them when they need to be painted. You get in a car, you're like, it's pretty clean. Then you get in the next car and it's like, wow, now this car is clean. I wonder how he got it so clean doing stuff like this. That's sprayed. That spot did show back up. That's not really going to be an issue. You won't really see it in the car, but overall that looks pretty good. So there's that. And as soon as UPS gets here, we'll throw the LEDs in the cluster and hopefully have a couple extra, maybe for some tag lights and for the inside dome light. Well, there we go. We got the LEDs in. So let's go ahead and check these things out. Well, there we go, guys. That's bright. I think that's going to look really good. What I'm going to do now is just grab some compound, a sock. I'm going to polish this lens up a little bit because it's a little dull, a little scratched up. I'm going to make it look better. Take a sock. Lightly rub some compound. You'll be surprised just how much this actually helps. You don't want to rub too hard, and you don't really want to go in a back and forth. You want to keep it in a swirl pattern. Sorry, my little schnauzer's in there acting up. He wants to come outside, so. And hey, I'm just a real dude. You know, I got a 3-year-old out here on a Power Wheels in the video, and it's just, it is what it is. So I'll show you the whole process. It's already starting to come off. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you can see the difference in the lens. It's crystal clear now. So there's your tip for the day. All right, I'm gonna put this back together and we'll see what it looks like tonight. It's tag light time now. Let's get these old crusty bastards out of here. Hey, look at that. Awesome. Look at the difference, guys. There's the tag lights. Those look pretty nice. I like that. Cleans it up a lot back here instead of that orange kind of glow. That looks really good. It's really bright. You can see the light leaking out everywhere though under here. So there's still a few pieces I had to put back in. I had one extra. So now we have an LED under the hood. I just thought I would do something simple, you know, kind of clean the car up. We're nowhere near done. I have a over here for this car. It's just a matter of getting to it. So I hope you guys like the LEDs, and thanks for watching.
Hey!